Welcome to our channel Explore Life with Shutapa. We are back with another video, and this video is about the boat ride at the Mahanadi Gorge at Satkosia. Our main reason for visiting the Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary was the sighting of some of the endangered, near threatened, and rare species of birds like Indian skimmer, greater thickney, and black-bellied tern. Not only that, we wanted to sight some of the endangered and rare species of reptiles also, like the gharial, magar, and Indian tin turtles. We did boating on the Mahanadi Gorge twice, where we sighted various species. To know what species we sighted and how was our experience, you keep watching the video till the end. So, without any further delay, let's start with this video. And you be with us to enjoy the boating at Satkosia. On 23rd December 2025, we reached Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary at around 12 pm. We had traveled from Kolkata to Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary by car and we did a night halt the earlier day at Dhenkanal. To know the details, you can watch our earlier videos that we have posted on this channel. I will provide the link in the description box. After reaching Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary, we checked into Punnakot Nature Camp, and after freshening up and having our lunch, we went for the evening boating at Mahanadi Gorge. It was almost 3 pm when we started. The boating point was at Tikorpada, and the route from Punnakot to Tikorpada was through jungle, and we were instantly mesmerized with the beauty of the surroundings. In this trip, all the arrangements, stay, vehicle needed for bird watching, and sightseeing was arranged by Mr. Sunil Sahu.
এই পাহাড়টা না আপনি কইলে এই পাহাড়টা এই পাহাড়টা না
এই যে লেফট রে পাহাড়টা আছে
হ্যাঁ
পাহাড়টা তো দেখুন তো লেফট সাইড রে পুরা
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ এইটা তো
হ্যাঁ সেটা হচ্ছে গুজ্জা মুন্ডিয়া
আচ্ছা
আর এই রাইট সাইড রে যে পাহাড়টা আছে সেটা হচ্ছে পদ্মতোলা পাহাড়
আচ্ছা
পদ্ম 22 পালি স্যাংচুরি এটা হচ্ছে আমার টিকরপাড়া ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ স্যাংচুরি এই এরিয়াটা ଏବେ ତ ଆମେ ବୋଟିଂ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛେ ବୋଟିଂ ଦେଖେ ତାପରେ ବୋଟିଂର କହିବା କ'ଣ ସେଠି ଆଉ ବୋଟିଂ
This is the final way to the boating area. This is Tikorpada village, and we have now reached Tikorpada. And this is
ପୁରାତନ ଶିବ ମନ୍ଦିର ଶୈବପୀଠ ପୁରାତନ ଅନେକ ପୁରାତନ ଶୈବପୀଠ
this is a very old
1714 ମସିହାରେ
what Sunil bhai is saying is
ଇଏ 1714 ମସିହା
it is built on
ଅନେକ
that.
ପୁରାଣ ମନ୍ଦିର ଟିକରପଡ଼ା
We soon reached the Gharial Research and Conservation Area at Tikorpada. The boating point is inside this research center. The muggers, gharials, and turtles are rescued from the nearby areas and are kept here. Later, they are released back into the Mahanadi River. We went ahead and reached the boating area. We were hurrying as it was winter and the light was falling fast. The boating area was inside the Gharial Research Center at Tikarpada. We had to wait for our turn to get the boat ride. Though there are many boats, only 3 are allowed at a time as the forest department doesn't want to disturb the birds and reptiles around that area. Also, care is taken to watch the reptiles and birds from a very safe distance.
We are now at the Tikarpada Boating Center, and these are the boats where you go in the interior. Like there are Indian skimmers and black-belly terns and other birds as well, and there are gharials and crocodiles. So we will see what we can get today. You stay with us, and with us there is Sunil Bhai. Sunil Bhai, I am now shifting to Odia. I will give you like captions. Anything you want to say, Sunil Bhai? କିଛି କହିବେ କି ଏଇଟା ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ଟିକରପଡ଼ା ମାନେ ବୋଟିଂ କେତେ କ'ଣ ପଡ଼େ କେତେବେଳେ
ବୋଟିଂ 1600 ଟଙ୍କା 8 ଜଣ ଯିବେ 1600 ଟଙ୍କା
1600 ଟଙ୍କା ପଡ଼େ ଆଉ ବୋଟଟା କେତେବେଳେ ଚାଲେ ମାନେ ଦିନ ସାରା
ବୋଟ ନାହିଁ 8 ରୁ 4ଟା ଭିତରେ ବୋଟ ଚାଲେ
8 ସକାଳ 8ଟାରୁ 4ଟା ଭିତରେ ବୋଟ ଚାଲେ
और एवरी मंडे क्लोज्ड है माने
मंडे क्लोज्ड हुए और आगुरु बुकिंग किछि करियो
नहीं बोट नहीं ऑन द स्पॉट
बुकिंग हुए एंड बहुत बढ़िया व्यू इट्स अ वेरी सीनिक व्यू यू शुड नॉट मिस दिस बोट राइड
और बार्डिंग कले कांटेक्ट करियो माने जरी
हां इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन बर्ड्स एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ यू कैन कांटेक्ट सुनील साहू भैया he will arrange everything and he will guide you to get the wildlife as well as all the birds. He knows about them very well, so you can contact him.
We started with the boat ride and were soon mesmerized with the view. What a beautiful view it was! The distant hills covered in mist and the boat running towards them was nothing less than a poetry. From the boat, we spotted a gharial. Gharial is a critically endangered species. It was outside the water basking in the sun. The gharial is also known as fish-eating crocodile, which is distinguished by its long, thin snout, which is adapted to catch fish. These reptiles are primarily found in the rivers of Indian subcontinent. However, they have become critically endangered due to the habitat loss and depletion of fish resources. Conservation efforts are being taken by the government and forest department to conserve this species. The gharial laid there at the same place and we went ahead. The next reptile that we saw was a vulnerable mugger or a marsh crocodile. This reptile is characterized by its broad snout and robust body and is native to freshwater habitats. This species feeds on insects, fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals. This species is classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss, human wildlife conflict, and poaching. The Mahanadi Gorge also hosts some saltwater crocodiles. We went ahead and came across a family of Indian tent turtles. These turtles are called so because of their tent-like shell. These turtles are found in South Asian rivers, streams, ponds, canals, and can be found often basking in the sun like it was doing now. This species is omnivorous and adaptable. It feeds on aquatic plants, crabs, snails, and even scavenges leftovers. It plays a vital role in keeping freshwater ecosystem healthy. In this kind of turtle, the female is bigger in size than the male. Now we headed towards our main target, the endangered Indian skimmer. We got a sight of them from a distance. Carefully we approached and saw them busy with their activity. They were taking flight, skimming through water. They were busy taking a bath and occasionally engaged in territorial fight. I got some decent shots, however, could not take a video, nor did I get any portrait shots. We were actually sharing the boat with other passengers and they wanted to explore other areas, hence, we had to leave. However, I asked Mr. Sunil Sahu, who had made all the arrangements, to arrange another boating session for me, preferably in the morning, and I wanted to do it alone without sharing the boat with anyone so that I can just keep quiet and shoot them. Now the light was also falling fast as it was the winter season. The sunset hues falling on the river was nothing less than a poetry. It was so beautiful. We were completely spellbound by the golden dusk at Satkosia. It felt like the sun's beautiful rays were melting into the Mahanadi River, where the crimson glow at the horizon was meeting the hills, and it felt like a symphony. We again went boating on the Mahanadi Gorge on 25th December 2025 in the morning. And in that session, we got the Indian skimmer video and some decent photos of the bird. Not only that, we also got some other birds like the greater thickney and river lapping, etc. And all of this I will cover in my next video as this video is getting too long. A lot more is going to come on this video as apart from the Indian skimmer boating, I am going to share about the stay, the Punnakot Nature Camp and birding that we did around that area. I will also show you the jungle safari that we did and also the different birding sessions that we did at Chotke and other parts of Satkosia. So to know all this, you keep watching the series, and if you have liked this video and this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe as your encouragement motivates me to give videos on YouTube. So till the next video on the series, you all stay healthy, stay happy and bye for now.